Here are two hidden features found on your Galaxy Buds 4 or the Buds 4 Pro when connected to a Samsung phone. One is head features and the other one is the gaming feature. So I'll show you where to go to find these and let's get started. On your Samsung phone, use the quick access and look for the Bluetooth option. You'll long press it when you see it and then go to details. Here you'll see your Buds 4 or 4 Pro connected, and across of it is that setting icon here. You'll tap on that one time and that'll take you to the view mode, which would have been that of the wearable app. And in this area here, I want you to first look for head gestures. Keep in mind, this is for the Buds 4 Pro and the Buds 4 itself, all right? You'll see head gestures here, and when you tap on it, it'll just basically show you how it works. It'll tell you to put in your earbuds and say yes or no with that nod or shake head, and then no or decline with nod or shake head. So you can choose which one does what there. Okay, it's a pretty neat feature here. And of course, to turn it on, you'll have to turn it on here or from the outside here. Okay, and it's up to you to make use of it. Then you got the other one here in the advanced features section here. This one is turned off by default. So you'll go to the labs here. And if you're a gamer person here, you'll see the gaming mode here. And again, you can actually turn it on from here or go into it by tapping on the words here, and it'll show you this here, what it does and whatnot, okay? And basically it's just gonna minimize audio delay. So kind of like prevent lag, audio lag when you're gaming. So that's gonna be really good for you gamers out there, okay? So hey, like and sub, let me know in the comment section if you tried it out. And if you are using the wearable app, you'll see these features depending on your phone model. If it's not an Android phone, make sure to have the wearable app and see if that's gonna be working or not. I'm not sure how that works, but check it out, let me know, and thanks for watching.